The Infinix Note 50s is a mid-range smartphone that offers a compelling blend of premium features, powerful performance and a budget-friendly price point. Here is a detailed review based on available information. Design and display. The phone features a sleek and modern design with a slim profile, 7.6 mm thickness and a lightweight body, 108 gram. It has a plastic build with card edges on the back and a gem card design for the camera module. The phone is also built to be durable with MIL STD 810H military grade certification and an IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance. A unique feature is the energizing scent take on the Marine Drip Blue variant, which infuses the vegan leather back panel with a fragrance. The display is a major highlight, a 6.78-inch FHD plus 3D curved AMOLED screen with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate, 1300 nits of peak brightness and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Infinix Note 50s is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate processor, which is a capable chipset for its price segment. This SoC combined with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage provides a fluid experience for daily tasks, multitasking and even light gaming. The phone runs on Android 15 with Infinix XOS 15 custom scheme. The company has promised 2 years of OS updates and 3 years of security updates. The UI includes some AI features like Circle to Search and AIGC Portrait Mode, although some reviewers note these features are not yet fully polished. Camera. The camera setup is a strong point for the Infinix Note 50s. It features a dual camera system on the back with a 64 megapixel Sony IMX600-822 main sensor and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. The 13 megapixel front facing camera is also a capable shooter. Both the front and rear cameras are able to record 4K video at 30 fps, which is a notable feature for a phone in this price range. In good lighting, the main camera captures sharp and natural looking images. While it can struggle with low light conditions, it performs well for its segment. Battery and charging. The phone is equipped with a large 5500 mAh battery that can easily last more than a day with moderate usage. It supports 45 watt wired fast charging and the charger is included in the box. According to review, the phone can be charged from 0 to 100% in about an hour. It also has features like 10 watt reverse wired charging and bypass charging, which directly powers the phone during gaming to prevent overheating. Price and availability. The Infinix Note 50s was launched in India on April 18, 2025. It is available in 3 colors: Marine Drift Blue, Titanium Grey and Ruby Red. Pricing for the phone starts at approximately Rs 14,999 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, and around Rs 17,999 for the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage model. Pros: stunning display, 6.78-inch 144Hz curved AMOLED screen, solid performance MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate processor, durable build MIL STD 810H and IP64 ratings. Capable camera, 64 megapixel main sensor with 4K video recording on both front and back cameras. Long lasting battery, 5500 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging. Affordable price, offers great value for its price segment. JBL tuned stereo speakers. Cons: the secondary camera is a low resolution 2 megapixel sensor. Some of the AI features in the UI are not yet fully mature. The fragrance technology in the Marine Drip Blue variant might be a matter of personal preference.